Hey, good morning. What's up, guys? Welcome to John's Moto Garage. I'm John. This is where we buy, ride, and sell motos. Today I've got the 2016 Triumph Bonneville T100 Black. If you haven't already, check out my other videos. I show you where I buy the bike. I also do a walk around and cold start, and I do a mini review and impressions on the motorcycle. Just going to do a quick walk around on the moto, show you some of the aftermarket components. So you've got the British Customs aftermarket seat, you've got the rear integrated tail light, brake light, you've got the low profile turn signals front and rear, fork gators. This one's got straight pipes. They're pretty dope. They sound good. You got aftermarket grips. You got the rear mirror delete, so you just have the one handlebar rear mirror. He did the tack delete modification, so you don't have the tachometer. It just has the speedometer. It gives it that nice clean look. I think it looks pretty sick. And then if you pan around here to the front, this thing's got the Doe LEDs around the front headlight. Once the bike's turned on, this thing looks beautiful. I'm gonna start it up. We'll do a cold start, and then I'll run it up and down the street real quick so you can see how she sounds. Again, this is a 2016 Triumph Bonneville T100 Black. It's only got like 750 miles. Thing's basically brand new. Alright, there you have you guys, 2016 Triumph Bonneville T100. I forgot to mention, this thing is barely broken in. In fact, it's not really even broken in. It only has like 700 miles on it. But yeah, complete blast and a joy to ride. So if you dig the content, smash the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below. Alright, you guys, thanks for tuning in. John's Moto Garage. We will hit you guys up on the next one. Adios.